Hi, and welcome to my channel, Yours Mentor. Learn English with Story. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Once upon a time, there was a small bird named Lila. She lived in a big green forest with many other birds. Every day, the birds flew high in the sky, but Lila was afraid. She had never flown before. One morning, her friend Max, a red parrot, said, "Lila, you must try. Flying is wonderful." Repeat after me, flying is wonderful. But Lila shook her head. "I am too small. I will fall." Max smiled and said, "You are small, but you are strong. Trust yourself." That night, Lila looked at the stars. The moon was bright, and the wind was soft. She whispered to herself, "Maybe tomorrow, I will try." Repeat after me, "Maybe tomorrow, I will try." The next morning, the sun rose. The forest was full of music, birds singing everywhere. Max called out, "Come on, Lila. Today is the day." Lila took a deep breath and climbed to the highest branch of the tree. Her heart was beating fast. She opened her wings and felt the air beneath her. Repeat after me, her heart was beating fast. Then, she jumped. At first, she fell a little. But then the wind lifted her wings. She was flying. The forest looked small below. The river shone like silver, and the trees looked like green umbrellas. Lila laughed and said, "This is amazing. I can fly." Repeat after me, "I can fly." She flew left and right. She flew higher and higher. Other birds cheered for her, "Go, Lila. You can do it." After a while, she landed on a branch beside Maximum. Her eyes were shining with happiness. Max said, "See? You are not too small. You are brave." Repeat after me, "You are brave." From that day, Lila flew every day. She was no longer afraid. She even helped younger birds who were scared to fly. She told them, "Believe in yourself. If I can do it, you can too." Everyone in the forest admired her courage and smiled at her success. Repeat after me, "Believe in yourself." Moral of the story: everyone feels afraid before trying something new. But if you take the first step, you will discover your strength. Courage grows when you practice every day. Try new things slowly, and you will learn. Remember, practice makes you stronger. Repeat after me, you will discover your strength. Thank you for listening. Listen again, repeat the sentences, and practice English every day. Every day, speak, read, and listen to English. Soon, you will see improvement. Keep learning, stay confident, and never give up. See you in the next story. That's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.